Salamat.
Ayan!
Thank you.
Dong!
We would like to call on stage the winners of the Technical Awards. Best Sound, Best Original Musical Score, Best Production Design.
Sir, doon yung reaction na nanalo pong Best Actress sa music si Maria.
Wow, super proud of course. Grabe.
Birthday niya po ba?
Ganda birthday gift sa kanya.
Birthday gift po.
Laging supportive kay
Talaga.
Marian sa
Of course, of
lahat.
course. And I think isa sa mga pinaka memorable roles niya yan. Nagkampanan si Teacher So, nakakatawa na ganun yung naging recognition ng buong festival. Something that we will never forget.
Indeed. How about you po? May chance po ba na maka-join din po kayo sa Cinemalaya?
Oh, I wish. Yes, of course. Sana may pagkakataon.
You're doing a movie po with Miss Chara po. No, this year po may papalabas.
Not sure yet. But, yeah, the film is done. Parang final edits na.
And hopefully makasama siya sa MMFF.
Hindi siguro. Baka hindi.
Maybe next year. Congrats po.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po, sir.
Bilis ng GMB, nakapost agad.
Everyone done? The next set of winners, may I call on stage our special jury prize winners for the short, for the best director shorts and full length, and for the best film shorts and full length. Please, may I call on stage all the winners to have a photo with our jury members and organizing committee members. Okay, winners of the special jury both shorts and full length, for the best director shorts and full length, for the best film shorts and full length. Ready cameras, please. Everyone, focus, camera. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Please. And then again, all.
Pakita niya yung talent niya. Saka yung naman yung nagka-point of artistry, di ba? Magkaroon ka ng platform para magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin.
All the winners, everyone on stage. Again, ready cameras. 1, 2, 3.
Ito yung mga puso natin. Sa pagganap
Please,
kay Teacher
please. Alright, is everyone on stage? Closer. Make it more compact. So it can go into the newspapers.
No. Of all the awards, I think this is very meaningful. Meaningful siya to the point na yun yung sinabi ko din na parang, ay, sorry, tinatawag daw po.